OwnerRez provides 3 options to help facilitate direct bookings. An OwnerRez hosted website, which we cover in our Direct Bookings Hosted Website video, using a WordPress plugin, which we cover in our video Direct Bookings WordPress plugin, and website widgets, which we will go over in this video. OwnerRez has many different widgets that let you set up integrations with OwnerRez from your site, from inquiry, quote, book now widgets to availability calendar displays to searching properties by availability and showing rates tables and reviews. To get started, go to Settings, My Website, and click on Widgets. In this video, we will show you how to create a Book Now widget. The Book Now widget facilitates bookings, inquiries, and live quoting. By default, all of those are enabled. For mode, you can select whether or not you'd like immediate booking or inquiry only. In Fields, enable the Show Properties selector option to allow the guest to pick a property. You can opt to show children and show pets or keep these fields hidden. In Display, you can select the options for how you would like the guest to be named and the appearance of the booking and inquiry buttons. For validation, select the method preferred, if any, for validation. In quoting, set the quote price setting to never quote if you don't want the guest to see a quote until they hit Book Now. You can set the widget's quote price setting to allow quote and show errors or just show errors. This is helpful because it provides the guests with immediate feedback as to what's wrong rather than just rejecting the inquiry, which could cause the guest to simply go away. If you set Allow Quote and Show Errors, it will show both the error and the quote closest to what the guest would receive if the errors were resolved. If you don't want to show the quote if there is an error, set Show Errors instead. That will only show the quote if there isn't an error, and guests will see an error message with no quote. Conversion tracking is a place for HTML to render on different events in this widget for things like ROI conversion tracking codes and partner tracking systems. Paste your AdWords conversion code here, for example. For options, select the listing site, display culture, name, whether or not this is publicly accessible, which property this widget applies to, and any custom CSS for advanced display and layout settings. Click the green Save button when you are done. You will now see a summary of the information that will be included in your widget. In Generate Code, you can select which property you will use this widget for, and the embed code will update to reflect this. You can copy this code to embed on your own site. We also generate a link that will host the widget in a page on our servers so you can send a link to people without hosting it on your website. Copy-paste this link into an email to send it. A preview of your widget is visible here. If everything looks good, you're ready to share the widget. To add your widget to a site, copy and paste the HTML code in the embed code box in your site. If you want to see what other widgets look like, go to ownerreservations.com/widgets. When you're ready to continue on to the next step on the setup list, be sure to watch our video, Direct Bookings WordPress Plugin. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.